The purple one is like royalty, and then which I had seen royalty at the gym today actually, and then there was another one that it just passed by, right, and it said, oh cool, oh yeah, and Beto supporting trans people, you know, it's not okay. Supporting it's like we can love people. We don't have to. Oh yeah, hurricane. I'll explain that. See, this is right through the river. This is after I saw the Aqua Glass truck. I had seen Aqua Glass, right, and then right after that I saw. And it's amazing. Yeah, I'm just in awe. Oh yeah, and the Huracan is like, that's one of those songs that he sang to me, he put on for me, a song of deliverance for me when it's called, oh, I'm trying to remember, it's called, it was the day that I showed up in my vestido de novia, my bridal dress to church, because he told me to dress up and I didn't want to, but God was like, you have to. I'm telling you to. I'm telling you to go and do this, and I'm like, okay, sounds good. I will. Okay, I will. I'll do it. Even though I really didn't want to, because I was like, I felt like I was drawing attention to myself. And the crazy thing is, like, yeah. Oh my gosh. And it says Royal right there. So I was just talking about royalty. And then CRST. Oh, Grace. Look at right there on the, where this truck stands. See? Hallelujah. Huracan is like, it's the song Ella, I think. Ella. I'm trying to remember both artists, but right now the one that comes up is yeah, I'll have to look it up. I'll have to look it up because I don't remember. But the song Ella, and it says that the man, you know, her husband got off the ship, and then Jesus jumped in, you know, and became her husband. And like, yeah, it talks about a hurricane. And it was a song that played on the way. Yeah, I'm just excited. It was awesome. Like, and it's a song that, yeah, my cousin also had shown me. I believe she was like, this song is for you. As soon as I heard it, it was for you. And so yeah, she played it for me the first time, but then he played it for me on the way to the church, yeah, that day that I dressed up as his bride. And I was actually told to do it, like, now is the day, today is the day. And it was perfect. It was so perfect. Hallelujah. Okay, let me see. Oh, you look beautiful. Yeah, just smile, okay? Okay, there, so I can get the whole thing. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I'll get the details on the car. The butterflies. Hallelujah.